All right, now you've all picked a raffle, 1, 2, or 3, based on whatever criteria you wanted to use. I bet you some of you picked raffle 2, because raffle 2 had the biggest jackpot, $2,500. Some of you may have picked raffle 3, because it's a smaller jackpot, $500, but there are 5 of them. Some of you may have picked raffle 1. Whatever criteria you wanted was absolutely great. What we're gonna learn now, and in the rest of the videos, is a way to objectively measure those 3 raffles against one another in a way that will rank them as the most lucrative, the second most lucrative, and the least lucrative. So we're going to look at them objectively this way. I'm going to start with raffle 1, and we're going to analyze this one in a very specific way. We're going to say, what would happen if we bought all the tickets? What would happen if we bought all the tickets? So there are 100 tickets, remember that. You buy them all, which means you've spent $1,000, right? If they're $10 a piece and you buy 100 of them, that's $1,000 in the can. What would happen? How much money would you have? Because remember, you will have won the jackpot if you buy them all. But you also will have bought 99 tickets that don't win you anything. So let's break down this raffle by total earnings. And I'm doing earnings because you probably already figured out. If you buy all 100 tickets, that means you're going to have 99 losing ones. Whoops, ticks. And 1 winning ticket. Okay, let's break it down, each one. The 99 losing tickets, okay? So that's 99 times, now watch this, I'm going to do it in red, I'm going to be an accountant here. Negative $10, because each one of those cost you $10, right? Each one of those cost you $10. You had to shell out $10 for each ticket, and you bought 99 of them. That means you're in the hole. $990. Leave that in red right there. Can we see that okay? We can. It's okay. Okay. So because of those 99 losing tickets you bought, you're out $990. Which you think, remember, we mentioned earlier, you will have spent $1,000 in total for this raffle. The last $10, of course, is the winning one. So that means you have 1 winning ticket. But remember, that winning ticket netted you, that's 1 times, it netted you $1,000, but you lost $10 because you had to buy the ticket. Hopefully that makes sense. I mean, yeah, you get to walk away with $1,000, but you really are only walking away with 1,000 minus 10, which is $990. So really, at the end of the day, the jackpot netted you $990, but the other 99 tickets you bought lost you $990. So at the end of the day, you actually broke even in raffle 1 if you bought every single ticket. Let's take a look at raffle 2. Okay, so raffle 1 was a really efficient way of not making any money. But you didn't lose any money either, so I guess that's okay. Anyway, let's look at raffle 2. Raffle 2, still 100 tickets, but they're $20 a piece. So we're going to spend $2,000 total on raffle tickets here. But the win, the one of those 100 tickets that's a winner, is $2,500. So let's chase the numbers on raffle number 2. 99 losing tickets, that's $99 times, now it's going to be a $20 loss. So that's going to be the cozy $1,980 loss at the end of the day, because all those 99 tickets lost us $20 a piece. The last $20 is going to be the winner, but remember, we get the $2,500, which is great, but we have to take away the $20 that we spent to get it. I know you forget about that. You know, when you win, you forget that you had to pay to win, but we can't forget about that analyzing it mathematically. So that is going to end up being $2,480. There we go, $2,480. Now, there's a big difference between raffle 2 and raffle 1, and hopefully you can see it. The difference is, if you buy all the tickets, you're going to come out ahead. Look, when you cancel your losses with your gains, you end up with a cozy $500, which means Raffle 2 does not wash out like Raffle 1 did. Raffle 2, yeah, it costs twice as much to play, but since you're winning more than twice as much, mathematically, you actually walk out with $500. Not too shabby. 25% interest on your investment. Not too shabby at all. You end up profiting $500. Pretty good. Let's see how Raffle 3 pans out. Okay, raffle number 3. Still 100 tickets, but now there are 5 $500 jackpots. Much smaller jackpots than the other ones. But we're back to $10 a ticket, so we're back to the affordability of raffle number 1. Okay, let's break it down. We got 95 losing tickets now, which means we have 95 chances to lose $10, which is going to be $950 in the hole. $950 in the hole, no problem there, that makes sense. But now the wins, this is where it gets interesting. You're going to have 5 chances to win. Ooh, we're not actually winning $500 each time. We're winning $500 minus $10 each time, right? Because each one of those $500 jackpot wins cost us $10. So it's really 5 times $490, which is still going to be positive. It's going to be a positive $2,450. And it doesn't take long to realize, whoa, you just ended up clearing $1,500. So in other words, you walked in, spent $1,000 to buy all of these raffle tickets, and you walk out with a hefty sum of money. It's a cleanup. Okay, these are all fictitious examples. There is no raffle 1, raffle 2, nor raffle 3. But the mathematics that we just did is sound. We were able to measure raffle 1 versus 2 versus 3 and realize the best deal is raffle 3. Makes the most sense. You make the most money. There is some fiction to it though. How many of us actually buy all the tickets at a raffle? Generally speaking, you only buy one. Maybe you buy a couple, but usually you only buy one. So what we need to do now is to look at how to do this math in a way that allows us to work the probability into it. We're not going to spend $1,000 or $2,000 to buy all the tickets. We're only going to buy one of the tickets. Let's take a look at that next.